Hi, my name's Alyssa.
And my name's Sierra.
And today we are unboxing the Girl Scout Experience Box for New Daisy Troops. The welcome box. Okay, so first we have a single hole puncher. Looks like this.
Then we got 3 packs of crayons. Very vibrant colors. And it's the same for all 3.
And then next we have 36 markers in assorted colors. Again, also very vibrant colors.
And then we have some yellow yarn.
We got a bunch of scissors, child scissors. There's 5 of them.
We have 3 tapes.
And then we have 2 different types of beads to make like beaded bracelets or beaded necklaces. We have ones with letters and then just a bunch of colorful ones. The letters spell friends. So we have the colorful beads that come in a little packet. It's like rainbow colors. And then we also have a set of beads that are letters that spell out friends, so you can make friendship bracelets with everyone in your troop. Friends. They're just friends. This is what they look like, friends.
This is the string for bracelet. So thing you need to do is cut it up for each person. The year overview. There's an experience box. There's a welcome packet.
This is the packet of beginning lesson plans, such as like what to do when daisies like arrive, like an opening ceremony idea, stuff like that. So, yeah.
Some activities, name tags.
These are also name tags.
Get ready checklist. There's a few.
I think the rest are get ready checklist. Alright. And
there's a few. These are what the flower petals are.
They also have it in Spanish. If you don't speak English, they have it in Spanish on the back.
Yes.
Sure. I'm Alyssa.
I'm Kendra.
I'm Veda.
I'm Sierra.
And I'm Kayla.
To all the new daisies out there, welcome to Girl Scouts!
Questioning my spelling, which I feel like is something I shouldn't do. I'm a junior in high school. I should know how to spell that.